focused. You gotta crash like waves in the ocean. Oh, you gotta crash through the motion. Cause if you crash, you fall apart, and I know it will break your heart. No matter where you go, you just attack, but you already know you got heart. And whatever they say, you just attack. You can find your own way, cause you got heart. No matter where you go, you just attack, but you already know.
Yeah, you gotta move, so little time, but so much to do. I gotta go, I gotta go. I'm trying to turn this mother to gold. Gotta get back with all my soul.
Gave it all my soul, now I don't know where to go. Gone for so long, don't know if I'll ever grow. You say I gotta go, but what if I never saw? You don't know my lows, you don't know what the future holds.
But answer me this, would it feel right if you knew it would hit? What if I told you all of the struggle would pay off tomorrow? But nah, you quit, so get on the road. Be the greatest story told. Don't ever fold and conquer your foes. Shine bright from your head to your toe. And say a lot like you're topping them bowls. You got a soul,
Yeah, I got a soul,
so you gotta fight.
and I'm gonna fly.
You still gotta grow,
It's time to grow.
to be on light.
I'm trying to
No matter the goal,
goal,
you're taking a stride. For some the ones that'll stay by your side. If you gotta get back up, it's alright, cause you got
no matter where you